Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create 80s effect in CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut mobile application, and if you want to create 80s effect, we need to go to the effect menu. You can click on this effects option and select the video effect, and the first effect you need to apply is a TV effect. You can go to the TV category and then you're going to select the Betamax effect. Okay, then you can adjust the filter, blur, sharpen, and twist texture and size as well. And then for the filter, I'm going to make it maximum. And for the blur, I'm just going to reduce it. The sharpen as well. I'm going to decrease all of them but the filter, and then click on the check mark, and you can make this effect align with your video. And the second effect you're going to apply is low quality effect. You can go back to the video effect and then go to the retro category. This one guys, click on retro and scroll down until you find the low quality effect, or actually you can just search in the search menu for the low quality effect. Okay, and click on adjust, and then I'm going to adjust the blur effect. I'm going to reduce it, and for the sharpen I'm going to increase it. And you can customize the effect according to your need, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and we can click on this check mark and make the effect align with our video. And this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create 80s effect in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.